Hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to download the data from Wolfgang database. So to open the Wolfgang database, you can search in Google Wolf Development Indicators or WDI. So under the Wolfgang web page, you can see Wolf Development Indicators or Data Bank. You can click on this one, and the Wolfgang database will be open. The first thing that you need to select is the country, and here the database is automatically selected the World Development Indicators, as this database has most of the variables, the data related to the most of the economic variables. So if you can't find the data in this database, you can search other databases if you have any specific data you need to download. But for me, I need economic data, and I search in this database. So the next thing is the country you need to select. The countries are in alphabetical order. If you want to search, you can scroll down to see the country that you want. You can select the country, and here you can select one country or more than one country to download the data at the same time. Here also you can find the country name based on the alphabetical order. For example, for I, here you can see Iraq, Indonesia, uh, and so on. All the countries start with I. So for me, I want to search data or download the data from China. So I can select the China. You can see here. And also I want to compare the China with USA, two countries. So I click on United States. I select. You can also search the name of the country from search bar, and also filter the group of the country based on the region or based on the specific uh, factor or indicator. For example, based on the income or lending. So I just need the data from China and United States. I want to compare the data between these two countries. The next thing is the variables. This database has about 1,509 variables. The variables are also in alphabetical order, so you can select the name of the variables from based on these alphabets, or you can search here. For example, I need the GDP, so when I search here, you can see all the data related to the GDP. So, or you can select here, click here, you select this one and remove and click on, you can see the GDP constant price, constant year is 2015 based on the US dollar or local currency unit. I want the uh, data on GDP based on the US dollar, the constant value. And also here you can filter the variables based on the specific factors. So the next thing is you can select the time period. If you need the data from a range of years, you can select here one by one. If you want the last 5 years data, you can select 5. If you want the data 10 last years, you can select 10, and so on. So I want to download the data 25 or 15 last years. So I select this one. Then after selecting all these items, you can see here the country is selected, the series of variables are selected, the time period is also selected. I apply these changes to see the data is available or not, to see if the data is available or not. So I can see the data in chart format. So I click here. So you can see the data is here. If I want to download this chart, I click on this one. If I want to download the data in a file, I can download an Excel file in series format and so on. So I click the Excel format because the data, the time series data is usually in Excel file. So here you can easily open the data and download. Alright, you can see the data in Excel sheet. We selected China and the United States as our targeted countries that we downloaded the data. The variable was GDP in constant value, and we selected 15 years data from 1975 until 2024. So you can use this data for time series analysis or for making charts and graphs. And thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful.